Hello and welcome to this YouTube video on how to start freelancing. In today's digital age, more and more people are turning to freelancing as a way to work from home, be their own boss, and earn a good income. If you're interested in learning how to start freelancing, this video is for you. In this video, we will cover the following topics: what is freelancing, advantages of freelancing, types of freelancing, how to get started with freelancing, finding freelance work, building a portfolio and personal brand, setting up your rates and invoicing clients, managing your time and projects, tips for success as a freelancer. So, let's get started. What is freelancing? Freelancing is a type of self-employment where you work on a project-by-project basis for different clients. As a freelancer, you are not an employee of a company, but instead work independently and set your own hours and rates. Freelancing is a growing trend in the modern workforce, with more and more professionals choosing this type of work for the flexibility it provides. Advantages of freelancing. There are many advantages to freelancing, including flexibility. Freelancing allows you to set your own schedule and work when it is most convenient for you. This means you can work around other commitments, such as caring for children or pursuing other interests. Autonomy. As a freelancer, you have control over the work you take on and how you complete it. This means you can work on projects that align with your interests and skills, and you don't have to deal with office politics or micromanagement. Earning potential. Freelancers have the potential to earn more than traditional employees, as they can set their own rates and take on as much work as they can handle. Variety. As a freelancer, you can work on a variety of different projects for different clients, which can keep your work interesting and challenging. Location independence. Freelancing can be done from anywhere in the world, as long as you have an internet connection. This means you can work from home, a coffee shop, or even while traveling. Types of freelancing. There are many different types of freelancing, and the type of work you do will depend on your skills and interests. Here are some common types of freelancing. Writing. Freelance writers create content for websites, blogs, magazines, and other publications. Design. Freelance designers create logos, websites, brochures, and other visual content. Development. Freelance developers create software, websites, and other digital products. Marketing. Freelance marketers help businesses promote their products and services through advertising, social media, and other channels. Consulting. Freelance consultants provide expertise and advice on a variety of topics, such as business strategy, marketing, and finance. How to get started with freelancing. Getting started with freelancing can seem daunting, but with the right mindset and approach, it can be a smooth transition. Here are some steps you can take to get started. Step 1. Identify your skills and interests. The first step to freelancing is to identify your skills and interests. Think about what you're good at and what you enjoy doing. This will help you determine the type of freelancing work that is right for you. Step 2. Choose a niche. Once you have identified your skills and interests, it's important to choose a niche. This means specializing in a particular area of freelancing. For example, if you're a writer, you may want to specialize in writing for a specific industry, such as healthcare or technology.